Táidir bís mar go bhfuil príomh chlár ceol na tíre, tagtha go dtí príomh chathair na tíre, seo sin ag Seoladh Gradam Ceoil TG4 22.
Tá tradiisiún an láidir don bhosca ceol am chlán hain má hín hena ar nélas amúirithe an bhosca ceol, hain má hena ar Tiger Irdáin an bhosca ceol, agus hain má antín benach déile Eileen Irdáin an bhosca ceol leis. Stocha tá sé dechar chuir a bhocail an áíireach, náir tá sé go deas an taintas áil ó riine go bhfuil fis a céirdecha i lein cheol, agus tá sé go deascúil an tardáin a gomsan is mo cheol a roinnt le daoine.
People ask me this all the time, like, what age were you when you started dancing? But there wasn't any age at all or day. It was just kind of something that my family always did, no more than people playing music in their families. Dancing was just always part of it, and music too. I nearly fell over when they told me that I was been awarded it. It means an awful lot. Particularly one very important lady was Mary McPartlin, who would have been a big influence in setting up the Gradam Ceoil, and she passed away last year, and it's lovely knowing that I'm a Leitrim woman, and the Leitrim woman that set it up is hopefully watching down on us and is proud of it too.
It's an award gomsa agus go chláán agus go muireafrachaí an Gradam Ceoil mar daríre tá an Gradam seo gol opsiúd go muireafrachaí agus dima muireafrachaí wam 3 bliain óchan go ham seo a nach téile fiidir sé gcónaí cas na nóir an inéanachlam agus tá sam go dí sé an ródul an nachta a Gradam seo ag gal siar go muicin nach idir go hála.
When I wrote the first tune, I suppose it was more realised for me by other musicians and the fact that they played the tune and it got popular, and from there I suppose I got the idea of maybe composing a second tune, and from there it worked up the line.
Well, sílim goil sé ionach go bhfuil ahantas dá Scarabré inné cé go bliain agus go speisialta fanne daithí fásta tá daithí galibh an seo agus an trúragan smaoinehar míchar agus an cailún mór atá sin.
Jéirim go mó luarar san amchéarna, an ahantas sin ar.
Agus níor hiicmuid nó níor hílmuid cé go bliain ó hen go mé daoine canseirinn go fáil.